today I have a quick, easy, simple video for you guys. So today I'm going to show you how to cook smoked hog jaw. This is a New Year's tradition for, most people, but it's one of those things that you can cook like really any time of the year. But I just want to show you guys how I prepare and cook it. So let's jump right into this video. What I have here is my sliced smoked hog jaw, and I'm just going to wash it and I'll be back. I have washed our sliced hog jaw, so I'm just going to pat it dry and place it in my pan here. Versus fat bat, you will boil it and then pat it dry and place it in the pan. But due to this not being as salty, you do not have to do the boiling. You just want to get all of that excess water out. That way it's not popping in your oven. And what I am going to do, because I bought a smart pack thinking, I can cook it in that, but I guess not. So I'm just going to lay it out on my wired rack here to cook it, because you don't want it on top of one another. So I'm just gonna lay it out on my rack like that. And I have my oven preheated at 350 degrees, and I'm just going to place it in the oven and allow it to cook. Our hog jaw has been cooking for 20 minutes. As you can see, it does shrinks up, so I'm just gonna turn it over.
Yeah, I got it.
And I'm gonna cook it for another 10-15 minutes. Just took our hog jaw out of the oven. It is completely done. It cooked for a total of 35 minutes, and it's done. So now you're just gonna take it up, put it on a paper towel to soak up the excess grease. Be careful, it's very hot. Like that. And what I do is, because I do have, let me get mine. And what I do with this excess grease here, I just take it and I just pour it in a cup and save it. You can cook with it. You can fry some greens with it. It is good grease meat. So for the small pack of hog jaw that I have, I got a half a cup of grease. There you have it. Our sliced smoked hog jaw. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of how I cook and prepare my smoked hog jaw. This is so much similar to cooking fat bat, but a whole lot of difference in taste, okay? Like, this is nowhere near salty as fatback. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.